everybody. Sorry for my appearance. Just got back from physical therapy, and I needed to get this done because I need to draw for the winner of this Limoncello palette. So yeah, so we're gonna do that today in this quick little video. And I've got my baby girl here. Yes, yes, you do give me kisses. I know, I know, I know. She's my little snuggle bunny, and she's cute. I've seen her a million times, but she likes to be held. She just doesn't like to be picked up. And then I've got the other one over here, Chico. Oh, look at my hair, y'all. My hair just, I just threw some makeup on and threw my hair up in a clip. And excuse me, today we're just gonna call them feathers. Because they're just not doing right. Okay, how about that? Okay. So yes, so we are here to pick the winner, like I said, of the Limoncello palette. I was supposed to do this on the 17th, and I'm sorry, I'm tardy. I just got a little busy with life and stuff. So yeah. So are y'all ready to see who the winner is? The winner? I can talk. The winner is. All right, stay put, and I'll pull up on my laptop, and we'll get this started. All right, so here we are at the randompicker.com. It's called commentpicker.com, that's it, for YouTube. And I have typed in here the URL of the video. And now I need to go down here and tell it that I want it to filter comments based on a specific text. Then I have to come down here and tell it what that text is. And that text is lemon. No. And I need to go down here, get YouTube comments. And there were 18. Now I'm going to come over here. And I'm going to hit the start button. Drum roll, please. And it is Pamela. Hey, Pamela. Pretty look, sweetie, I love lemons. Thank you for sharing. Oh, right, Pamela. Yay. Pamela is our winner. So, everyone congratulate Pamela. All right, so Pamela, you are my winner of this beautiful little Limoncello palette. I'm so excited. I think I have your address, but just in case, you can leave me, my email is down below in the description box, and so is my Instagram, but if you want to send me an email, but I think I may have your email as well too. So just reach out to me, make sure I do have your address so I can send this little palette to you, and I hope you enjoy it so much. So I'm going to show you. She's just right here. Look at this. Yeah. She's just as content as Mary Catherine's cat, Smudge, is sitting in her lap. So, all right, ladies, that's all I got today. So thank you so much for stopping by and saying hello, and congratulate Pamela. And y'all have a wonderful day. And remember, ladies, what I tell you, every single day. Get up and show up because you are worth it. So until I see you in my next video, have a very safe and a very blessed day.